morning everyone. Today we are going to learn how to find the factors of a number. So first of all, we'll see the factors. What is the factor? The factor is number we can multiply together to get another number called factor. For example, 2 multiple 4 is equal 8. So the numbers are multiplied. These both are multiplied. Then get another number is 8. This is called product. Okay. So this is called product. So here these both, it means 2 and 4 are factors of 8. So 8 factors is 2 and 4. It means 2 and 4 is factors of 8. So take another example. So second. So we can take 3 multiple 2. Okay. So we get 6. So 3 and 2 is factors of 6. So 6 is we get product 6. Then when we get 6, before a multiple with 3 and 2. This both, it means 2 and 3 are factors of 6. So okay. So we'll find the factors of some number. We'll see. So we'll take 8. 8 is a one number. So we'll find how many factors are there in 8. So we'll find it. So 8 is how many times will come. So we'll see. So 2 multiple 4 is 8. Okay. And 1 multiple 8 is get 8. And 4 multiple 2 get 8. And 8 multiple 1 we get 8. Okay. The product are same but factors are different. It means product numbers are different. So we will write the single number. At every double number we can write single only. So 1 or 2 here, but you can write only single. And 2 or 2, so we can write single. And 4 or 2, we can write single. And 8 or 2, we can write single. So okay, the 8 is a product of the number. You can when multiple with 1 and 2 and 4 and 8. These 4 numbers are factors of 8. Okay, 1 and 2 and 4 and 8, the factors of 8. We'll take one more example. We can understand very clearly. So we can take example 12. So 12 is a number. Now find the factors of 12. How many factors are there in 12? We'll find it. So 12, how many times will come? 1 multiple 12 is 12. Okay. And 2 multiple 6 is a 12. Okay. And 3 multiple 4 is 12. Okay. And we have one some more. We can come some more. No. And we can repeat it. So 6 here. 4 multiple 3 is 12. And 6 multiple 2 is 12. And 12 multiple 1 is 12. So some are repeated. Is 1 multiple 12 and 12 multiple 1. These both are same. But get same number. But we can reverse opposite. So the same 2 and 6. So 2 multiple 6 is a 12. 6 multiple 2 is a 12. The same. So this here same. 3 multiple 4 or 4 multiple 3 is the same. So we can write only single. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 6 and 12. Okay? You can get some more? No. This. How many are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 6. So these 6 factors of 12. This number of factors of 12. So 1 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 6 and 12. all numbers are factors of 12. So okay, these factors of 12. Okay, you can get how understand very clearly. So we'll take one more example, we can understand very clearly. So for example, take 8. 8 is the one number. Now find out how many factors will come in 8. So 1 multiple 8 is 8, you know already, and 2 multiple 4 is 8. Okay, then will come one more? No chance to come. Okay, this both, and 1 and 2 and 4 and 8. The 4 numbers are factors of 8. Okay, 1, 2, 4 and 8. These all are factors of 8. Okay, understand? Now we'll take another topic, is that how to find the common factors of any two numbers. Okay, common factors. Is the factors over? Now common factors. Okay, common factors. Okay, common factors, you know already factors. Common means same. Same numbers, same factors in two numbers. Take example 6 and 8. These two are numbers. Now find the different ways of factors. Now find the 6 factors. How many factors will come in 6? 1, 2, very good, 3 and 6. Will come one more? No chance to come one more. And we'll take 8. Now find the 8 factors. 1, 2, very good, 4 and 8. Okay, comes one more? No chance to come one more. So now the factors of 6 and factors of 8. This is over. Now find the common factors. Now common means same. Okay, same common factors. Now find the common factors of these both numbers. 1 is common and 2 is common. Okay, 1 is common, 2 is common. How one more? No chance for one more. So factors, this means factors mean how many times will come in 6. So it's the factors. So the common factor means how many numbers have same in both numbers, in both factors. So 1 is common and 2 is common. So common factors of 6 and 8. So write common factors of 6 and 8 are 1 and 2. Okay, common factors of 6 and 8 are 1 and 2. So common factors of 6 and 8. We'll take one more example, we can understand very clearly. Take 12 and 15. Okay, these two numbers. Now find the common factors of these both numbers. Now find the factors of 12. I write short form of factors is F. So I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay, these factors of 12. How many factors are there in 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 factors are of 12. So now take in 15 factors. 15 factors. 1, 3, 5 and 15. Yes, will become one more? No chance to come one more. Now find the common factors. Okay, now find it. 1 is common, so I'm writing 1, and 3 is common, I'm writing 3. Okay, and the common factors of 12 and 15 is 1 and 3. I hope understand very clearly. Thank you. Bye bye.